The Trinidad and Tobago Manufacturers Association and experts from Ernst Young Services Limited are calling for an extension of the deadline for submission of property tax forms. The call came out of a property tax seminar for the TTMA membership today. Objections to the implementation of such a tax at this particular time were based on the challenges of the current economic scenario, coupled with greater payments in the business levy, green fund and increased price of diesel fuel within the last 18 months. This, they said, had caused onerous stress on business, resulting in the sustainability of their operations being considered. The seminar was to give support to its members in navigating through the perceived uncertainty which surrounds the implementation of the property tax, in particular as it pertains to the category of manufacturers within the industrial property tier of the schedule. TTMA members brought with them their concerns and questions with respect to ambiguities and input regarding manner of implementation of the program. The collaborative session was facilitated by Ernst Young's partner of tax services, Gregory Hannes. According to a large portion of those in attendance, further increasing the cost of doing business in the form of a property tax at this juncture could very well erode the competitiveness of their products locally, but particularly in the export markets. The consensus remained that guidelines on property tax, specifically with respect to the calculation on plant and equipment, remained vague. In light of this, the TTMA, on behalf of the manufacturing community, is petitioning the government to extend the deadline for the filing of the relevant documents. It says such an extended deadline would allow greater discussion, resolution of ambiguities, and understanding among the relevant stakeholders. The TTMA anticipates that its voice of over 430 of its members would be fully considered in light of the government's economic priorities and growth strategies. The association says it is looking forward to partnering with the government in the diversification process, which requires an enabling environment for manufacturers in order to ensure viability of this mandatory venture.